Al-Farghani was a great Uzbek scientist of the 9th century. He was an expert in astronomy, mathematics, and geography. He played a key role in the Islamic Golden Age of knowledge. His research and inventions guided scholars and scientists for centuries. Since ancient times, humans have used the stars to find their way. The North Star, in particular, has always been a guide for travelers. It not only helped with navigation but also inspired learning and discovery. Observing the stars became a foundation for human civilization and science. Al-Farghani was among the great astronomers who mapped the heavens. His full name was Abu al-Abbas Ahmed ibn Muhammad ibn Kathir al-Farghani. In Europe, he was known as Alfraganus. He was born around 797 CE in the Uzbek city of Kuva, in present-day eastern Uzbekistan. Even at a young age, his skills in astronomy and mathematics made him one of the most prominent scientists of his time. During his life, Al-Farghani made many important contributions. His most famous work was of the elements of astronomy. It was based on ancient Greek and Islamic knowledge, but he also added many new discoveries. He calculated the circumference of the Earth and explained the tilt of its axis. He identified the longest and shortest days of the year and predicted solar eclipses. Al-Farghani also studied the closest and farthest points in the orbits of the Sun and Moon, called aphelia. His observations laid the foundation for future generations and gave astronomy a new direction. Al-Farghani was not just a theorist. He was also skilled in practical science. He made important improvements to the astrolabe, a tool used to determine latitude and accurate coordinates on Earth. Greek scientists had used it only for astronomy. Al-Farghani expanded its use to map cities and determine precise locations. He also contributed to trigonometry. Scientists discovered new values for sine, cosine, tangent, and cotangent. This helped compile star catalogues and calculate directional points. In addition to astronomy, Al-Farghani worked on hydrology. In the 9th century, Egypt faced the threat of flooding in the Nile River. Ruler Ahmed ibn Tuluan invited Al-Farghani to improve the Nilometer, an instrument for measuring water levels. He redesigned it to make it more accurate. This allowed authorities to predict floods and droughts. His work helped Egypt develop safely and ensured stability for many years. Al-Farghani's influence lasted for centuries. Even explorers like Christopher Columbus were inspired by his work. Columbus misinterpreted some of Al-Farghani's calculations, but this mistake eventually led to the discovery of America. This shows how Al-Farghani's work had a profound impact on world history. Today, Al-Farghani is remembered as one of the greatest scientists of the Islamic Golden Age. His work is part of the global scientific heritage. His observations, inventions, and ideas teach us that curiosity, research, and dedication to knowledge are essential for understanding and advancing the world. Al-Farghani showed that observing the stars and measuring the Earth can help us understand our world better and make new discoveries possible. Today, Al-Farghani is celebrated as a great scientist. His life and work remind us that the thirst for knowledge